Hey, good afternoon everybody. It's Ned over at My Philippine Dreams. And I just wanted to formally introduce to you the latest member of the Philippine Dream team. This is Brigette. Brigette is the daughter of Angel, and she's the last puppy that we have, and we have decided to keep her because she's a sweetie. She's very nice, and she already plays tennis ball. She's only 8 weeks old and she plays tennis ball. And right now we're going to be heading down to the vet because she's 8 weeks old and it's time for her 5-in-1 shot and her anti-worming stuff and all that fun stuff. I'm sure she's going to have a great time. So come along and let's go to the vet. All right, so we're down here right near the National Capitol Building, Barrow Veterinary Clinic. That's the name of this establishment. And they got all kinds of stuff here. Dog foods, all kinds, anything you need. And this is it. And there's Brigette. 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 Smile. She doesn't look happy. So they got all kinds of stuff from dog foods, organic and all that. Over there there's a Doberman Pinscher. He just got its ears docked. And they're putting the cup on its head to keep the ears against it so the ears stay up. Yeah. So anything you need for your cat, they got cat litter, they got lamb and beef and who knows what else they got here. All kinds of stuff. But I gotta get stuff for fleas and ticks because ticks this year are really bad. I'm gonna have to get some of that. Brigette.
She's shaking.
Is she shaking?
Yeah.
She's like, where am I? This is her first time in air conditioning. This is your first time in aircon, baby. You okay? Alright. We're just gonna get a shot. It's not gonna hurt much. And what's interesting, as soon as I walked into this place, it's like music stores. If you go to buy like musical instruments and you go to a musical instrument store, they all smell the same. I love that smell. And veterinary offices all smell the same to me too. Whenever I walk in, whether it's an animal hospital or vet, it's all smells the same. All right. Now I hate needles, so this is gonna be more difficult for me than it's gonna be for her. There's our victim. Hey Brigette, you're looking good. How you feeling? That's a big needle too. I'm not gonna be able to look at this. Good girl.
8.1. 38.1 degrees.
38.1 degrees. Normal. She's normal puppy temperature.
4 kilos.
Good girl. Making sure she has a heartbeat. She's not a zombie ass bean.
Okay, it comes pink. It indicates having normal red blood cell and hemoglobin.
So Brigette is a healthy dog.
She's got a lot of ticks. Okay, here we go. I'm not gonna look at this. Good girl. Oh, Brigette, you're so good. You did so much better than I would have done. Oh, good girl. She didn't cry or anything. She's down for anything. She loves getting her flea powder applied. Look at the sad eyes. Oh. I think we're all set. And ooh, food, Brigette, food. Mmm, yum yum yum. Mmm. I like food. And that's the deworming.
Yes.
Yeah.
All right. So she got her 5-in-1. We come back for rabies. Come back for the rabies.
Yeah.
Just doing the puppy routine right now. All right, doctor. Well, thank you very much for your time. I really appreciate it. All right. Hey, and you ready to go? Okay, let's go. Oh, thank God. That was a big needle too. Yeah, we gotta come back, I think in 2 weeks. Okay, that's great. All right, thanks to you all again, appreciate it. This is Ned over My Philippine Dreams, and that's my newly inoculated puppy, Brigette. And she doesn't look very happy. We'll see you next time, bye. All right, so one of the things that I learned is Angel's kind of finicky. So what I do is I get their dry dog food, and I mix in a chicken bouillon cube, and they seem to absolutely love this. So you just add the bouillon cube to a can thing here, or a mug, whatever you want to call it. You pour in some hot water, And you let that permeate and melt, and then you put it in here and combine it to heady goodness, and the dogs absolutely love this.
Ready? Go get it. Yeah. Come on, Bridget. Good girl. Come here. I gotta whisper because Chichai's in there doing her English classes. Hey, good job. I'm so proud. It's all about effort. It's not about your ability. It's about effort. Ready? Okay. Ready? Good girl. Bring it. Bridget, come here. Oh, good girl. Good girl. Yeah. You're a champion. Yeah. This is gonna be your job. Oh, kisses. Oh, kisses. Oh, you're so. One more time. Bring it back. Bridget. Psst, psst. Yeah, good girl. That's my sweetie. Good job. All right, so I'm gonna end my Philippine dreams. This is Bridget. We'll see you next time. Bye. Bye. One more time. Angel would never do the tennis ball.
Good afternoon, everybody. It's Ned over at My Philippine Dreams, and I just want to introduce to you the newest member of the Philippine Dream. The latest fucking... All right, stop it. Start.
Hey, if you consider our work to be of any value, consider supporting us on Patreon. If you're a Patreon, you get a free copy of my ebook, and we do monthly Google Hangouts. So consider doing that, if you would please.